So, hello. Once again, I'm back, but not on my old MacBook Air 2012, running Endeavour OS and Arch Linux based distribution. No, oh no. Yesterday or today, I don't recall exactly when, I've posted a community post on my YouTube channel, and I will show it to you now. But before I'll do that, let's just check if the stream is online and the recording and all that. The stream seems to be online just fine. Nice. I will double check. Okay, the recording too. Nice. So yeah, let's go to my channel, and somewhere around here I made this post. This was my supposed surprise Void Linux muzzle running on my old MacBook Pro 2012-2014 with almost perfect results. Well, the thing is, this word almost, it's a big problem. I don't know why it's so small on the computer screen, but I guess someone can blow it up and see it properly. Anyway, I indeed managed and run Void Linux, the muzzle edition, no problem, almost no problem on my MacBook Air, MacBook Pro 2012. The thing is that the muzzle edition does not have all the applications, all the utilities, all of the things that were needed for this old device. On a newer system, I'm sure it's much better to use, or at least even in older systems than mine, but not an Apple-based one. Sorry. So yeah, I had some issues, which of course I managed to resolve by using the normal edition, the glibc, and here it is. Right now I'm streaming and recording using the native resolution scale in full HD. So maybe things will be small on your screen, but in any case, here they are. Here it is. Void Linux, this version here, XFC, okay, kernel, X11, this is the system, and here you can see even better in the terminal, all the details, all the information. I've done plenty of customization, themes, utilities that I'm using, like Expose for example, like so. Cool, nice. But I still have a long way to go. System of course so far seems so quick, so responsive, even better of course than MacBook Air, but that's to be expected. It's like the Pro machine of that era. And yeah, it's amazing. So much. It feels so much faster, even though I'm streaming and recording locally. Let me show you a few things that still I have work to do. For example, on my MacBook Air, I had up here a network speed monitor. This is still something that I need to do, but most of the stuff, like this logout up here, basically this menu here, it works just fine. I've customized everything, as you can see. This is the weather and clock, etc. No problem. And yeah. However, there was so much work to be done. It's like Void Linux, it's so good, so compact, so fast, so performative, but you need to do so much work to install things that most everyday users may need. For example, it didn't have a calculator, which is something that I dislike. Like a simple calculator, please. Anyway, here we are. This is it. I moved the wrong window there, sorry. Let's put it back. Here, as you can see, even though it's recording and streaming and everything, it's just about 20-25% of the CPU and GPU power, and the memory is just 2.2 gigabytes out of almost 16. Yeah, it's a big difference compared to my MacBook Air of 2012. However, this machine is in much worse condition because I bought it like a second hand, and it's the user was unlike my own MacBook Air, totally wrecked it. The microphone, it's kinda toasted. Speakers, especially the left one, terrible. The screen, it was a defective from the factory, and the thin film that it has, it's destroyed, most of it. Anyway, the hardware barely, it's sticking together and functioning, so to speak. But yeah, with the Void Linux, it's amazing experience, like wow. And of course, I've installed all the usual tools that I need. Kdenlive. I don't have any project. Let's just do a new one. Yeah, whatever. I don't know if you can understand. It's like very fast. And here is the GIMP. Streaming, recording, and it's like boom, boom, boom. What else? Let's do the right. LibreOffice. Expose. Yeah, amazing. But I still have a lot of work to do with my options and settings and customizations. But at least I have the notification system of the keyboard switch. When you switch layout, I managed to do this. No problem whatsoever. The same thing when changing workspaces. It shows you the correct workspace like that. And yeah, as you can see, it's like very responsive, even more so of course than the MacBook Air. But I'm not sure if it has anything for, like negative for most users nowadays. Such a system, I mean, running Void Linux, top performance. For everyday normal tasks, no problem at all. And I'll just open sorry, I will go here like this, and this one for example. As you can see, like no sweat at all. It's like nothing. Anyway, yeah, more to come. I will try to document this journey, this adventure, just like I did with my MacBook Air 2012. This one, I repeat, it's this one. Let me just zoom in. It's this one. I will try to give you as many details as possible, like everything, like my scripts, like the apps and how I installed them. Some of them had to be from the Flatpak, others from the repository, and there are minor differences, of course. For example, instead of updating the system with Pacman, Here you use XBPS, for example, it's like this, in order to update the system. Boom. And if you need to install an app, you do like this, for example, and you type the name of the app and be done with it. But yeah, this is a story for another time. It's not the muzzle edition of the Void Linux, but what can I do? This one at least I can have, I can use the NVIDIA discrete graphics that the system has. I can use the brightness, everything really, you know, like almost everything works flawlessly with this edition. But it's not for the faint of heart. Maybe with my guidance it still will be a problem for most of the people when you will be able to watch the videos in the future. But yes, surely not for someone new, not just to Linux, but you know, maybe you are an advanced Windows user and you feel adventurous. Maybe you are an advanced, I don't know, Unix user and you feel adventurous. Maybe a FreeBSD guy or a macOS guy or gal. Whatever you think you are, this is a journey. It's not like one and done, like 15 minutes, half an hour, one day. Especially if you are going to length to customize the system a lot like I did. Anyway, thank you for watching once again, and see you on the next one. Bye!